Hi beautiful people, my name is Jimmy from the Webonaut. I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a plugin called Bit Integrations from BitApps. They're the sponsor of this video, so without further ado, let's just dive in. As usual, you will first have to install the free version and the pro version of the plugin. For the free version, just go to Plugin, Add Plugin, and once you're here, you can just look for Bit Integration. Here you can just click on Install Now. As you can see, I already have it active on my site. And I also have the Pro version activated. For the Pro version, you will have to go to your BitApps account, download the Pro version, and connect your BitApps account with the plugin directly from WordPress, and then you're good to go. Once both are installed, then you will see here at the bottom, Bit Integration Pro. We're going to click on them, and you're going to be prompted to the list of all the integrations that you already created. In my case, I created 2. And today, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to reproduce that one. And as you can see, we're going to connect Bricksforge into Fluent Support. So let's say you create a form for your website and you want to create a ticket in Fluent Support automatically from that form. So that's pretty simple to do. First, of course, you're going to have to install the Fluent Support plugin, which is a free plugin, so you can use that version. So we're going to first click on Create an Integration. And here, of course, we're going to click on Bricksforge. I already created my form, but here we're going to click on Form Submission. And if you saw my video about bit flows, you will see we have to go through the same process. It means that we have to fetch the information from the form by submitting it once. So we're just going to click here. I have already my form. So we're just going to fill that in. And Doesn't matter what you write for now on this one, because this is just to fetch the data. So we're going to submit it. And we're going to go back to our integration. As you can see here, it fetched all the information from my fields. All right. So we have the subject and the problem description as well. So we're going to set an action. And in that case, we're going to choose for Fluent Support. But as you can see, there is so many different integrations that you could use for your workflow, depending on what you're trying to achieve. So let's just go and click on Fluent Support. And here we're going to connect Fluent Support. This will work, of course, if you have the Fluent Support plugin already installed on your WordPress site. So let's just click on it, and it's going to prompt us to next. And here we're just going to map the fields. So the title for the Fluent Support fields, it's basically the subject. The content is the problem description, then the name, the last name, and the email. Now we're going to have to add the support stuff. In that case, we're just going to select Jimbo. Let's put OK. And you could put a client priority for those. For example, you could say that any email coming from this specific form is a medium priority. So you can just click on OK, and then we can just click on next. And as you can see, we can finish and save. And now we're just going to have to try it. So let's just see. I'm just going to deactivate the one I have first to not create any conflict, because I'm doing the exact same logica and the same form. So we're just going to deactivate that one just for safety. We're going to go into our form, and this time we're just going to create everything again. Here as a subject, let me put something like, I have a technical problem on my site. So at least you see, once we go to Fluent Support, that it is the subject that we submitted here. And the problem description, I can say, I cannot reach the backend of my site. And we're just going to create on submit. Once this is done, it will automatically create a ticket in Fluent Support. So let's just go check that out. Now we're here, and we're going to go to Fluent Support. Click here, and we have the dashboard. And we can see already here, I have a technical problem on my site. So let's just go on Fluent Support and click on tickets. And here we're going to see, those were tests that I made before. But here we have the form that we actually just submitted. So now if we click on it, we can see that this has been converted to a real ticket. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, you could use this plugin in so many different ways. This is just an example between a million. But if you enjoyed it, just go check the link in the description. This is not an affiliate link. And thank you to BitApps for sponsoring this video again. And until the next one, guys, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.